This could possibly be the biggest question. What is the best way to live? I don't know if there is any keyword, any long tail keyword for this question. What is the best way to live? But as a practitioner of yoga, I can tell you that the best way to live is to make your whole day yoga. What is that? What do I mean? Because we have to do our works, we have to go to the office and earn money for our family. How can we make our entire day look like yoga? We can, and there is a way out. I have figured out a way. When we are getting up in the morning and when we are doing our exercises, or we are running in the park, or we are doing even our what we call yoga in today's terms, that is asanas practice, even that is a sort of physical exercise, anything that I will call Kriya Yoga. Let's for now just assume it that way. Then when you are coming back to your homes, most of us after taking bath, we feel fresh. We feel like connecting to that divine when we are taking bath and about to leave to office. So, and for some people it's like 10 to 15 minutes of ritualistic devotions. So it depends from people to people. So that is, I will say, let's call it bhakti yoga for the time being. And then when we are leaving to the office, or we are going to the college and devoting 6, 7, 8 hours there, that will be karma yoga, because the whole day is about the actions. Then again, when we are coming back from the office or our schools and colleges, most of us are putting our earphones on, and when we are jogging or running in the park or even in the gym, I suggest you put some knowledgeable, informative podcast. And this 1 hour of listening to the podcast, there are so many great orators and speakers. And luckily, we are living in a tech era where we can hear these people, we can benefit from these people's wisdom. That 1 hour of intense seeking, the churning of the minds and the philosophies, this I will call Jnana Yoga. Again, when you are coming back to your home and before sleeping, when you are, most of us are doing this before sleeping, we are closing our eyes and trying to recollect what happened during the day, or some of us worship, some of us meditate, some of us don't, but we feel like going to that zone before sleeping. This is again, for the time being, this will be Bhakti Yoga in this definition. So what we are seeing here is that our whole day is comprising of these four arms of yoga. This is what I somewhat mean when I say make your whole day yoga, and this is the best way to live.